everyone! Today I'm going to share how to get this salon blow dry style hair look without paying the salon price and saving some time in the morning. I'm a busy mom of 2 kids and I also work, so I don't have much time to get myself ready. If this is you, then continue watching because this video is for you. I will start off with these 2 products here. One is called It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product, and the other is a Marrakesh leave-in treatment and detangler. After I have towel dried my hair, I would add some Marrakesh to my palm of my hands, and I will also add some It's a 10 to the palm of my hands. I like doing this as opposed to spraying directly onto my hair, so that way I get an even distribute throughout my hair. So I just put them together. It's not very much product. Start with the middle shaft of the hair, bring it down to the ends and really rub it in. And then whatever is left you can put to the top of the hair. I do this because I don't want the top of my head to be heavy with product. I want that part to stay up and have more volume and body. Now grab your paddle brush and your blow dryer. So I start with blow drying all of my hair. I focus mainly on the roots because that's the part that takes the longest to dry. I just evenly distribute the heat all over my hair. Make sure that it's about 70% dry at this point. Next, I would take half of my hair and put half up, and I would focus on blow drying the ends. My hair is pretty thick, so I try to focus on drying it as much as I can. At this point, I will try to dry it up to the 80%. You don't want to dry your hair too much to where it's completely dry, because then it really damages the hair. So you want to dry it up to the 80-85% at most. Continue to dry your hair until you hit all the way to the top section. So again, just go through it, dry up to 85%. Make sure that the heat is distributed evenly and continue to do it all the way to the top. Make sure to flip your hair back and forth so that way you're distributing the heat evenly. You want to make sure you get those roots. Make sure it's not too dry. So these are the Velcro rollers that I use, and they don't have these anymore, or I don't see them anymore, so I just put down in the description what I recommend, so check those out. The first thing that I do is take a part of my hair on the top, so I would section it by using a comb. And the width of the part that I'm making is about the width of a Velcro roller. And I would take it back about 2 to 3 inches. Make sure to check to see how much you took out, because if it's too thick then it's not gonna roll properly. And you want to make sure you brush out all the tangles and that they're all smoothed out. Once you smoothed out your hair, take a Velcro roller and use it to smooth out the tips of your hair. And make sure it's tucked in and start keeping them all in the hair as you roll up to the base. Take a pin and pin it at the base of your root and your hair, so you should feel it tugging. Next, you're going to take the second part and you're going to part it 2 to 3 inches back from the first one. Make sure you roll every single hair within your Velcro roller, and then take a pin and make sure to secure it from your hair and your base. And taking another section right behind that roller, so you're basically creating like a mohawk effect down the center from your forehead to the back of your nape. Always make sure to brush out your hair because you want your hair to come out smooth, not frizzy when you're rolling it into the Velcro rollers. We'll do this part last. When you get to the side, you're going to create 2 vertical parts. Next, you're going to take the Velcro roller and you're going to smooth it out and pull it out to your side. Make sure to get those ends because you don't want any crazy looking ends. And start rolling it towards your head. And now for the last section. It's okay if some of the pieces fall out because it still comes out fine. Okay, so here's the finished product. I cleaned it up a little bit more because it was like falling off on the side. All I did was take it apart and rewinded it back together. So here it is. Hopefully you guys could see the back of it too. I know I look like a hot mess, and so does my room right now. But yeah, so this is it. Everything is all up, hopefully. Oh, I feel something here, but it'll be fine. I'll show you guys how it looks in the morning. So this is how I'm sleeping in my bed. I'm actually sleeping on a travel pillow so that my Velcro rollers are above it so it doesn't squish my hair too much. So that's how I sleep. Just woke up and my hair is still kind of in place but a little bit loose. So now I'm going to get my face ready. You can start unraveling all of the Velcro rollers. Remember to take out those pins first. I start from the bottom section and make my way up. There's really no order if you want to remove it, but I usually start from the bottom to the top. Now you can brush your fingers through your hair. Make sure that you take out all the dents from the base, from the rollers. You can also brush it out so that way it looks more natural. Last, I'm going to take some of this Trader Joe's 100% argan oil. You could use this on your skin or you can use it on your hair. I'm just going to add a few drops to my ends because as you all know, it's very dry and brittle, so I'm going to add some moisture to it. Now you could just style your hair like you normally do, place it however you'd like, fluff it up, and go on with your busy day. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Comment below with a heart emoji, and please subscribe and share this channel. This helps YouTube share my video to like-minded people like yourselves who want to save time and money but still look fabulous.